Hi YouTube, it's me. Walking around my neighborhood is one of my regular activities now to get fresh air and exercise ever since the pandemic of COVID-19 started, which I believe it makes us all cooped up at home. Home, one of the biggest assets we have. There's no place like home. It recently has become our best place to hang out and do many things, so we try to make it as comfortable as possible. We upgrade it, renovate, decorate and redecorate, fix the damage, wash, clean up, tidy up, or just enjoy it the way it is. I love mine. It's a good size for me and my only one daughter. After the passing of my husband and all my in-laws, help is hard to find, so I have to do anything myself, learn the skills of fixing the damage and be creative. Changing the doorknobs, for example, replacing the halogen light bulbs, putting up the heavy cabinet in the bathroom, or installing the house camera. Painting the front door, fixing the toilets, installing the bidets, or putting up the TV on the wall. Those are some of what I've never thought of doing. Trim, prune and plant the trees, shovel the snow, mow the lawn, rake the leaves. Those are my yearly chores. Tired? You bet I am, but it's for my home, my shelter. But as much as I want to save money by doing everything myself, I have to admit of my limitations. This gutter, for example, it was so filthy dirty, full of debris from the trees which blocks the water from flowing to the spout. I was so sure I could clean it, so I bought a new good ladder only to realize later it was too dangerous to do it myself. So I called the professionals. Not just cleaning up the gutter, I asked them to put the gutter guard to reduce the debris from building up. It looks nice. Well, I have a beautiful cedar hedge which gives me the privacy from the public pathway beside my property. It's huge, green, healthy and puffy. Paying the professional trimmer is costly, yet I was always not satisfied with the result, so I planned to do it myself. I bought an electric telescoping trimmer, but boy oh boy, it's too heavy to lift and the top of the hedge is too high to reach. I gave up. I finally got back to using the contractor again. This time, I was lucky to get a good one. The cut is so crisp and sharp, clean and tidy. They got about 10 bags of the debris, but they didn't take them, so I had to put them somewhere until the day of yard waste pickup. That's alright for me. I'm just happy to see my cedar got a haircut. Now, two parts of my backyard fence between my property and the public pathway were damaged due to the windstorm last time. Since the fence belongs to the city, I asked for repair and they did. However, since the wood is new, it looks different from the other. So I asked the contractor to power wash the old parts to make them look the same. Well, it's almost the same. But oh, that ugly patch of my lawn? Okay, you'll see it later again. Wait. Here it comes. There. I'll tell you in the next video. See you there.